If you've been charged with possessing a fake ID in the City of Ann Arbor, your case will be heard at the 15th District Court. Now, this is a misdemeanor crime, and a lot of times when a client of mine is charged with having a fake ID, they're also charged with minor possession, urinating in public, open intoxicant, other misdemeanors. So you may be dealing with just one case here or multiple cases. A fake ID charge is a crime. If you're convicted of having a fake ID, going forward, the question, have you been convicted of a crime? Do you have a criminal record? The answer to that would have to be yes. Right now, that's what's going to happen in your case. Going to court on this charge, go in front of the judge and say, "Judge, I plead guilty." You may have the greatest excuse, you may have a 3.9 GPA, you may have intentions going forward and having a really bright future. It simply doesn't matter. What we need to do together is get this charge dismissed. Get this charge dismissed, not because you have a 3.9 or not because you're going to have a bright future, but because this was an isolated moment in time. Something that going forward, you will make better choices. Something where we demonstrate that you have learned from this. What I have done is I've created the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a book available on Amazon.com. One of the type of cases I talk about in there are fake ID cases in Ann Arbor. What my clients do from day one is we're proactive. We're proactive by putting tools in place that give you the opportunity to show real action to the prosecutor, to the judge, to the police department, and your community. Right now, they only know one thing about you. They know you had a fake ID with you, or you're possessing alcohol underage. That's the only thing they know. They don't know what you've accomplished in the past or what you'll be doing in the future. We need to show them in the present moment what you're doing to show that you've learned from this. I'm quite confident if you follow my program that we can create an option to keep this off of your record. So if you're charged with a fake ID, or your son or daughter or a friend are charged with fake ID, I encourage you to contact me and talk about your case. Talk about where you are in life or where your son and daughter are in life, what their goals are, and we can talk about how my program can help them keep this off of their record. To have a criminal record the rest of your life for fraudulent documents, for a crime of dishonesty, theft, and fraud is simply not fair. This was an isolated moment in time, and I can help demonstrate that it is for your daughter, for your son, or for yourself.